What's up, YouTubers? What's happening? Back in Magnolia. Look at what I got for you today. Merry Christmas, okay? Merry Christmas. We got some beautiful, look at these beautiful Colt A2s right here. These babies right here. All right. If you come around, I will show you, my cameraman, come around. I will show you the beautiful details. You know, this beautiful baby right here. This is a Colt AR15 A2 Sporter 2. And the big brother, this is the big brother. This is the Colt AR15 A2 heavy barrel automatic rifle sporter. Now, for you rookies out there, what the hell is the difference? What is the difference between this one and this one? The difference is this one has a lighter barrel, okay? There's a lighter barrel. This baby's about 6.5 pounds, almost 7. This baby here has a heavy barrel. That's what H bar stands for, heavy barrel automatic rifle. It weighs about 1 pound more, so this is about 8.5. Okay, this is gonna be a little bit more accurate because of the heavy barrel. This baby will be faster. It's lighter. You know what I mean? So I mean it's easier to patrol with this one, but this one's a little bit more accurate. Okay, and for you guys out there, for my experts out there, you will also notice the carry handle. This is an A1 carry handle. This is an A2 carry handle. See, the difference is on your sights. You see here? This is your A1 sights. Okay? A little bit different, alright? Alright? You don't have no adjusting ring on the side. Okay? So this is an A1 sight configuration. This is an A2 sight configuration. Because you can adjust the sights, okay? You have an adjustment ring. Well, these are A2 sights. Alright? Personally, I prefer these sights more precise, okay? So that's the difference. They both our rifles have a Marine Corps sling. Okay. So today we're gonna shoot both of these babies. First we're gonna start with the hairy barrel, and then we're gonna shoot the sporter. Alright? Make it happen. Gonna start off with this beauty right here. Now, we also got the bayonet. This is the bayonet for the M16. Okay. Alright. That's your bayonet. Remember, the little clips. Clip it on. Alright. US M4 Conetta. This is a military contractor. Okay, for the M16. So we're gonna go ahead and shoot 2 magazines today. Got 55 grain full metal jacket, full brass. It was made by OK Industries, also a military contractor. And oh, look at that! You both got OK Industries. But let me show you one thing. Let me show you. You guys one thing. There's another contractor here, Bravo Company. These guys are in Heartland, Wisconsin. Okay, so it is another contractor. Excellent magazine, very, very reliable. Ammunition made by Wolf. Okay, Wolf ammunition. 223 Remington, 55 grain, full metal jacket. All right. Wolf is made by Russia. It's really good. All right, enough talking. Rock and roll. Yeah, we're gonna be shooting today at 50 yards down range. Let's make it happen, people. Let's make it happen. I always check my rifle. Like I said earlier, 30-round magazine. You hear that click? When you hear that click, you know the magazine is in, okay? Now, there's your magazine release here. Alright, your slide release, fire, and safe is on fire right now. Alright, this is your forward assist. That's your shell deflector when it hits the brass. Alright, So all you gotta do is pull back on the charging handle and you're ready to go. Okay. And you're ready to fire. Make it up.